On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with CPA marketing using free traffic source as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join. You can join CPA Lead, you can join Max Bounty, you can join OGRs or any CPA network that you know. In this case, we are using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so you can search for it. Once you search for it, you can be able to create a free account. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, click on my office. Once you click on my office, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. CPA Group has a lot of offers that you can promote to make money from home. There are a lot of different offers, so you have to select the offer that you want so that you can promote it to make money. There are a lot of different offers. To get a very good offer to promote, what you have to do is that you have to be checking the payout. You have to look at offers that have higher payout so that you can be making money anytime you get a lead. Apart from the payout, you have to also look for a country where you have a traffic source. If you get offers that have higher payout and you don't have a traffic source, you are still not going to be making money. So you have to search for a country where you have a traffic source so that you can promote the offers that are available in that country. You can see all these offers. I have to promote them to people who live in the United Kingdom. If you promote them to people who live outside the United Kingdom, once they click on your affiliate link, they are not going to get access to the offers, so they can't complete them for you to make money. So you have to always consider the traffic source that you have before you select an offer to promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to be promoting offers in Ireland. So click right here. Once you click on it, search for Ireland. Once you search for it, you can see it here. Click on it. Once you search for Ireland, you are going to see a page like this. As a school, you can see these are the offers that are available for you to promote. You can see they have only 3 offers, and the 2 of them have higher payout. You can see the first one you're going to be earning $6.84. The second one you're going to be earning the same amount. One good thing about these 2 offers is that the requirement is very easy. You can see pin submit. So your potential visitors are required to submit a pin. Once they submit the pin, they will get access to games, and you are going to be earning $6.84. They don't need to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to submit the pin so that they can get access to the games. Now, what you have to do is that you have to select any of these offers that you want so that you can promote it. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are the details of the offer. You can see this is the description of the offer. This is the title, and you can see there are different tracking domains that you can select. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them, so just select any tracking domain that you want. Once you select the tracking domain, you can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in Ireland to click on this link and then enter a PIN code. Once they enter the PIN code, they are going to get access to gaming content, and you are going to be paid $6.84. There are several ways that you can use to get people who live in Ireland to click on your link. We have the free traffic source and the paid traffic source. So any of them that you want, you can use it to get people who live in Ireland to click on your link. In this case, we are going to be using a free traffic source. A free traffic source is the best way that you can use as a beginner to make money. But if you have money, you can also use the paid traffic source so that you can get quick results. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is yocalo.com. This traffic source is free, and the best part is that you can target any country that you want. There are a lot of different countries that you can target. After school, you can see these are the countries. You can see a whole lot of them. There are many more that you can target. So any country that you are targeting, you can get it on this website so that you can get the people who live in that country to complete the offer for you to make money. You can see in the United States, these are the states that you can target to make money. You can see a whole lot of different states that you can target. You can see a whole lot of them. Apart from the United States, when you scroll down, you can see other countries and the cities that you can target. You can see Australia cities, you can see Canada cities, United Kingdom cities, and many more. So any place that you want, you can target it using this website. Now what you have to do is that you have to create your account so that you can be able to run an ad on this platform. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here my account. Once you click on it, you'll be able to enter your details and then get access to a free account. So just scroll down and then click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you have to follow the prompt so that you can be able to enter your details. You can see the first thing is that you have to enter your username. Once you enter your username, click on continue. Just follow the prompt so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, publish your ad. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter the details of your ad. You see the first thing is that you have to select the ad type, so select business. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, the next step is that you have to select the categories. So just scroll down, you can see these are the categories. Just select the one that best match the offer that you are promoting. You can see a whole lot of different categories. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are promoting a game, so select electronics. Once you select that, you have to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, the next step is that you have to enter your URL and a description. So you can go back on CPA Grip, copy the details and then paste it right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Once that is done, you're going to come back, paste it here, as considered has been done. Once that is done, you have to come back again, highlight and copy the description of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, come back and then paste it right here, as considered has been done. Once that is done, you can also copy the warning and then paste it here. You come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, highlight and copy the warning. You can see it right here. Highlight and copy the warning. Once you highlight and copy the warning, what you have to do is that you have to come back, paste it here, as considered has been done. Once you have your ad title and the description, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down, click on continue. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to enter an address. You can search for a fake address and then enter it here. So come on Google and then search for fake Ireland address. Just search for fake Ireland address. Once you search for it, you can see a whole lot of different websites that you can click on to get a fake Ireland address. In this case, click on the first one. Once you click on the first one, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see the address. Just highlight and copy any of them that you want. You can see different addresses. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select the first one. So highlight the street address, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it here, as considered has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you're going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see price. You have to select the currency and then enter the amount here. In this case, it is a giveaway, so just select 00. Once you select that, you have to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, the next step is that you have to scroll down, just scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, enter your name and then email address. Once you enter your name and email address, the next step is that you have to scroll down, just scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see that the button. You can see company name, it is optional. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see country. This is the most important part, because if you select the wrong country, you are not going to be earning any money. So you have to click on it and then select the right country. You can see a whole lot of different countries. Select Ireland. Once you select Ireland, you can select the region in Ireland. So you can click on it and then select any region that you want. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then select a city. So click on it, select any city that you want. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to upload an image of the offer. You have to find an image of the offer and then upload it here. You can come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back on CPA Grip, put your content on the offer image, right click and then select save image as. Once that is done, you have to click on save. As you can see, that has been done. The image has been saved. Once you save the image, come back, click right here so that you can upload your image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. The image is uploading. You can see it right here. Once the image is uploaded, you can enter a fake phone number right here. Once you enter the phone number, click on continue. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to enter your website URL. So this is where you're going to paste your applet link. Just come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, click on copy link. Once you copy your link, come back and then paste it right here. as considered has been done. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see page last. You can see video URL, that is optional. Just leave it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see page like this. Click on submit. Once you click on submit, your ad has been submitted. You can see your listing has been received and it will be reviewed. Your ad has been submitted onto the website and is going to be reviewed. Once it is reviewed, it will be live on the platform and you are going to be getting people in Ireland who will click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that they can get access to the games, and you are going to be paid $6.84. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. I've shown you a lot of different websites that you can post ads for free. So make sure you go and post onto different websites so that you can get a lot of clicks. Once you get a lot of clicks, many of them are going to enter the required details and you are going to be paid. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.